What's good, y'all? Gonna be hopefully doing a couple things to the GS today. Today I'm gonna start with something small. So originally I had a video for this before, but something went wrong. Cue the clip.
Flashback.
That's not good. That's for sure not good. Savior has arrived.
End of
I
flashback.
drove to Selena's to pick up this Aristo trunk off of my homie. It has the chrome garnish, which is what I really wanted, but he told me we can just swap trunks. I got his chrome door handles. I did the fronts. I haven't gotten the rears yet. He was partying out his GS, so I was like, might as well swap trunks. I get the cool Aristo badge and stuff. But one thing I didn't realize though with the Aristo trunk or any JDM trunk, US license plate bolts don't line up. Only one of them lines up. It's because the Japanese ones are longer than our license plates. So I got something to help mitigate that. All right, so what I have is a little plate adapter. I know Night Runner sells one. It's a metal or aluminum one. That's like 30 bucks. This was like $18 shipped to my house off of a seller on Etsy. If you guys are interested, I can link it in the description below. But it's just this heat resistant plastic piece. Basically it just bolts up to where the JDM holes are, and it has extra holes there for you to mount your US plate too. So it's more secure in that you have both bolts on, because I guess this works, but it's only one bolt holding it up. So I'm gonna be installing that today. Hopefully might do a couple other things. I want to replace my side markers. I have some LED ones to install, so hopefully I can get to that today. First things first, I'm gonna try to mount this bracket. So yeah, so this is extremely stripped. I don't know if I have a screwdriver that big. Just have this little kit. Hopefully one of these will work. All right, so these are all too small for this stripped bolt. So let me go inside and grab a new one, I guess. All right, I got a Phillips and a flathead. Hopefully these will help. All right, so license plate was removed, and as you can see, these are where the JDM holes would be, and these are for the US license plate. So that's the bracket. See if I can show you. Excuse my like dainty license plate. But yeah, new holes line up. That way it's gonna be secure with two actual bolts instead of just one flopping around. So the license plate bolts that came with the kit are too short because I'm gonna be running a plate frame. I think I have some extra ones in my garage from when I swapped my license plate bolts on the Camry. Let me just look for them real quick. Yeah, so on the Camry, I did these little like, what is it, like crystal license plate bolts. So I saved the old bolts, so I guess we're gonna reuse those today just to compare. This is the one that came with the kit, and this is the one that I have. You versus the guy she told you not to worry about. Fortunately, as much as I want to run this plate frame, I think it's just too thick to run with the bolts that came with the kit. I'm gonna hit up the dude on Etsy, so see if there's anything we can do so I can at least put longer bolts, because I do want to run that plate frame. But yeah, now it's held on by two bolts. Looks a lot cleaner. But damn, I'm kind of bummed. I kind of wanted to run this plate too on the GS. It's hella hot right now. I think when it cools off a little more, I'm gonna try to install the side markers.
5 hours later.
All right, so I got the front bumper off. You don't have to take it off, but I'm taking it off because I'm gonna try to install my headlights anyways. I'm replacing the driver's side fog light. These side markers, I have some black LED ones to install. Alright, so here's the old fog light. Here's the new one. Not cracked. Now I'm gonna take out these side markers, replace it with the black LED ones I have. As you can see, I did the black side markers. That should be it. These plug into the factory bulbs there. But now I'm gonna install my headlights. Alright, this is the new to me headlight. Here's what mine were looking like before. Man, that's like a night and day difference. The car just looks so much better. Both headlights are on. Now I just gotta reinstall the front bumper and I think today's gonna be a successful day. Alright, here's the headlights, the fog lights, and change the orange side markers to this black LED. Now for the satisfying part. Yes sir. Alright. Let me turn on my lights real quick so we can see what the side markers and stuff look like. So that's with the high beams. And this is with the regular lights. And there's the LED side marker. Also, I got a new package coming earlier. I got another one of these center console garnishes, but the best part is I got the Aristo Blackwood door sills, so I'm excited to install it on the Lexus. Yeah, these literally just came in today. Probably on my next day off, I'll end up installing those. But yeah, I honestly think the clear headlights makes a huge difference. I don't know how to explain it. I feel like it really livens the car up, you know? I feel like maybe it's just because it's so new to me, per se. But I feel like it lightens up the car a lot more. This fog light's not cracked anymore. Replace that. Side marker is black instead of the ugly orange. But yeah, I think successful day, successful install. I think I'm definitely gonna try to do the black door chrome handles. The panel's gonna come off anyway, so I think I'm gonna install that with the black wood door sills. Yeah, that's the end of today's install. Thanks y'all for tuning in. And yeah, I'm out.
Riding top down at E14. Back road back to the Union for show. Got 5 steak fries tacos. Pack a pole told me so I lit up a smoke. Feel my aura when I clean my car up. Shining.